Oh, you put something when I open my mouth? Mm, goodness.
Open your mouth.
Look at my lipstick. Mm. Look at my eyebrows.
Told you. Mama told you don't move.
Mama, Mama, I told you don't move. Look at my eyebrows.
Mama, this one. This one.
Mura kong sinumbag. That's for my eyebrows.
Eyebrows? What
Yeah.
are you gonna do, eyebrows?
This is right there on my kilay. No, right here.
You want to eyebrows back one?
Mhm.
Why?
Why what?
Why you want the eyebrows back one?
Mama look pretty. Are you done? Gonna brush my eyebrows here. Gonna brush my eyebrows. Brush.
What brush? What is a brush?
Yeah, that's brush like this. See?
Yeah.
So what the next?
This one?
That one? What is that for?
What for?
That's for the eyes. Wala tag sinumbag. Sinumbag ni JP.
This one? Think that's right or not?
Is that right or not? Or what?
This one?
Okay.
Why is this one?
For the other side.
What is it?
It's not. It's whatever you want to put on my face. What color you wanna put on my face?
Your face.
Okay.
This one?
Not too much. That's enough. That's it.
Red. How my favorite color?
That's your favorite color?
Mhm. Ready, set, go. Ready, set,
Hello
go.
mga sangkay.
Hello.
Today,
Guys,
um,
guys.
JP gonna put makeup on my face. Let's see what he gonna do. Okay, JP, you first put this one.
Everywhere?
Everywhere ka diharon.
This on your face?
Yeah. Yeah, you put, oh.
On your lips?
Yeah, anywhere. You put it somewhere. Yeah. Yes, guys. This one for Mama's face. I'm gonna get the mirror first, okay? So, mix it. Mix it with your hands. Mix.
Hot? It's hot, Mama?
No, it's not hot. Mix it.
Hot for my face.
It's hot for your face. Mix it, okay? You put makeup gently, huh? You put it gently. Here you go. He's using this one.
What's that?
He don't know how to put it yet. Okay, I'm gonna put it. Okay.
I got my finger.
You got some on my finger. He don't know how to put it on. There you go. Okay. I don't know. Okay.
Other side.
Other side. There you go. Now what the next?
This one.
Okay. Oh, he gonna put this one already.
I need a brush. Two.
You need a brush. He gonna put the brush. Okay. Which one? Which
Which?
brush?
Two.
This one. That's for the eyes. Okay, put it on Mama's eyes.
Which one?
Any color. Okay, put it on Mama's eyes.
This one.
Okay. Okay, that's it. More?
Yeah.
Okay. What the next?
This
Okay.
brush. This one.
Okay.
For her face.
Okay.
Silly.
Do Mama look pretty now?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
This one.
Where did it gonna go? Where'd that go?
I.
Okay.
Yeah, anywhere. You put it somewhere. Yeah. Yes, yes. Oh, this one for Mama's face. I gonna get the mirror first, okay? I gonna get the mirror. You stay there. Ang mirror. Uy, wala akong nakakita sa mirror. I did not see the mirror. Okay. Just put it on my face. I did not see the mirror, okay? Okay, go. Go put that one. Not too many, okay? Not too many. Here. Put this. Put it on Mama's face. No, just this one. Okay. Okay, put it everywhere on Mama's face. Go put it everywhere on Mama's face.
Where is it?
I-
Where
We're supposed we're supposed to be go. In my face, everywhere. Okay. Yeah, everywhere. Okay, everywhere. Okay. Go mix it. Mix it with your hands.
Hot? Hot, Mama?
No, it's not hot. Mix it.
Hot for my face.
It's hot for your face. Mix it, okay? You put makeup gently, huh? You put it gently. He's using this one. You don't know how to put it yet. Okay, gonna put it. Okay,
Look at my baby.
you got some on my finger. You don't know how to put it on. Okay, here you go. Okay, I don't know. Okay,
I do try.
other side. There you go. Now what the next? Okay. Oh, he gonna put this one already.
I need to brush.
You need a brush. He gonna put the brush. Okay. Which one? Which brush? That's for the eyes. Okay, put it on Mama's eyes.
Which one?
Any color. Okay, put it on Mama's eyes. Okay. Okay, that's it. More?
Yeah.
Okay. What's the next? Okay.
Brush. This one?
Okay.
For her face.
Okay.
Silly.
Do Mama look pretty now?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Where did it gonna go? Where'd that go?
Hi.
Okay.
A rainbow.
Wow, a rainbow. Maratag na ay black eye JP. Okay.
This.
Okay.
This like it down.
That's it. That's it. That's it. Too much.
On your nose.
On my nose? Okay.
Nope. Let's get on your eyes. Oh my goodness, it's no.
It's smoke.
No.
Okay.
What?
What you gonna put on my nose?
Nothing. That's
Nothing.
not for your nose.
It's not for my nose. Make mama nose long.
No.
You gonna use this one?
No one knows what makes
Yeah,
your
you need
nose
to
long.
do something on my face. Look, you need to brush all over. Look, you need to brush it. Brush.
Where's the big?
Yeah, brush.
Mm.
Brush.
Why is brush? This one is brush?
Mm-hmm.
You look pretty.
Yeah, do I look pretty?
Yeah.
You gonna put more?
Nope.
Nope. That's it. What about the lipstick? Okay, you put mama lipstick.
On your lips?
Mm-hmm.
How?
I just put it on my lips.
I put it on. How? You put it on. I'm not really sure I can put it on.
You're not really sure to put it on? What about this? This is the lipstick. Okay, this is red lipstick.
Oh, get on there. How?
More. It's not complete yet.
Don't open your mouth yet.
Okay.
You're so pretty.
I do? I do pretty.
No.
Do I look pretty, guys?
Nope.
Nope.
Not yet.
Not yet. What else you gonna put on my face? What else you gonna put on my face? Mm-hmm. You gonna do? Mm-mm. You're gonna brush my lipstick. Why you gonna brush my lipstick?
That's too much.
It's too much.
Yeah, on my finger.
Oh, it's too much. It's too much lipstick, mama. Okay. Are you done on my face?
Yeah. Nope.
Nope.
Not yet.
Okay. You put black stuff on my eyes too.
Where's that stuff?
Like this. This one goes like this. Remember? Mhm. Not too much. Okay. Wow, mama look pretty na. Nagmura na kog clown ani. Mura na tag clown. Do mama look pretty now? Yeah.
On your teeth.
I got some. Where?
Side your teeth.
Sada. You put something on.
When you open your mouth.
Oh, you put something when I open my mouth? Goodness.
Open your mouth.
Look at my lipstick. Look at my eyebrows.
So cute. Mama, I told you don't move.
Mama, I told you don't move. Look at my eyes.
Mama, this one. This one.
Mura kong sinumbag. That's for my eyebrows.
Eyebrows?
Yeah.
I can do eyebrows.
This is right there on my kilay. No, right here.
You want to do eyebrows backward?
Mhm.
Why?
Why what?
Why you want the eyebrows backward?
Mama, look pretty. Are you done? Gonna brush my eyebrows here. Gonna brush my eyebrows. Brush.
What brush? What is a brush?
Yeah, that's brush. Like this. See?
Yeah.
So what the next?
This one?
That one? What is that for?
What for?
That's for the eyes. Wala tag sinumbag. Sinumbag ni JP.
This one? And said right or not?
Is that right or not? Or what?
This one?
Okay.
Why is this one?
For the other side.
Where is it?
It's not. It's whatever you want to put on my face. What color you want to put on my face?
I want your face.
Okay.
This one?
Not too much. That's enough. That's it.
Red. How my favorite color?
That's your favorite color?
That's my glitter on my favorite color.
Really? Like you are painting on my face, right? Are you painting on my face?
Nope.
Nope.
I'm just making makeup.
You put makeup on mom.
How I make makeup? With paint?
With paint.
Make paint?
I don't know how to make makeup.
Ow.
I don't know. Okay, that's enough. You brush my whole face. Oh.
Brush your whole face.
Brush it.
How?
Just do this. There you go. 2 hours. Rough man kayo ning mag-makeup. Uy, sa maning akong makeup artist. Rough man kayo. Ipang hubhead man na tawon sa akong naong. I guess that's enough. I look like a clown now.
No, I don't want makeup on your nose.
I look like a clown now. Can you say bye-bye, guys?
Bye.
Thank you for watching.
Need to wash Mama's face.
Need to wash.
Do it wrong.
Need to wash Mama's face.
Now I do it wrong.
We do it wrong. We need to wash Mama's face. Look at my face. Look at my face, guys. We do it wrong. Yeah, we're gonna wash. We're gonna wash Mama's face now. It look like a Halloween. It's Halloween. It's Halloween already? No?
I'm not Halloween. Look at them sign.
But look, you make up Mama like a Halloween. You make up Mama like a Halloween. Bye-bye. See you next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you think.
Big thumbs up
And a big thumbs up.
Yeah, make a big
thumbs up. And don't forget to click the tiny bell so updated kayo sa aking mga video and the big
a big video and then big thumbs up for you.